Welcome to our tutorial on how to save a Microsoft Excel workbook for the first time. If you need help opening a new workbook, be sure to check out our previous video on how to open a new Excel workbook. Now, let's get started with saving your workbook. First, make sure you have your Excel workbook open. To begin the saving process, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. From the File menu, select the Save As option. This will open the Save As options. Then click on the Browse and Save As dialog box will open. There you can choose the location and name for your workbook. In the Save As dialog box, you can choose where you want to save your workbook. For this example, we'll save it to the desktop. Click on Desktop to select it. Next, give your workbook a meaningful name by typing it into the File Name field. Let's call it Example01. Ensure that the file format is set to Excel Workbook to maintain full functionality. This format is the default and most commonly used to save Excel workbooks. Once you've chosen the location, named your file, and confirmed the file format, click the Save button to save your workbook. Your workbook is now saved. You can continue working, knowing that your progress is secure. To recap, click File, select Save As and Browse, choose a location, type a name, select the file format, and click Save to save Excel workbook for the first time. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Excel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.